Hello guys, welcome back to Polytainment Hobby. This is the first time you're watching my video. Please make sure you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified anytime I release a new video. So guys, today we're going to be watching Kiriku versus Chinedu, who is the funniest kid comedian. Guys, I want you to vote, and if you're voting for Kiriku, please comment in the comment under the comment section Kiriku, and if you're voting for Chinedu, comment under the comment section Chinedu. Guys, please let this video be an interesting one, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your social media handles. Thank you.
Uncle, why if my friend don't insult you?
Your friend insult me?
Yes, he say the bank like dog.
Hey! Who? Not be true to that person.
No true to my friend, you talk. You the bank like dog.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
There's no two ways about it. Look at the back.
I see. Good morning, ma.
Good morning. It's not that you're going to school. Have you not gone late?
No.
Why is your face like this?
Nothing.
Okay. Yeah, now. Be going. If school closed, don't branch anywhere. Come back home straight. I don't want to hear that from school. You can branch in Jezebel house or you can branch in Lucifer house. Once school closed, come back home straight. If I notice that you miss 1% of your time, me and you enter one trouser and I will fight very, very well. Did you hear what I'm saying? Okay. If your teacher is teaching you, you focus in class. Not that they'll be teaching you, you'll be playing with those your friends in class, Chibike and co. Don't play, focus, because if you carry last and come to this house this semester, me and you enter big shirt and I will beat you well. Did you hear what I said?
Continue.
Don't beg. If they give you food, don't eat. So that you will not eat winch and come to this house. Spiritually, I'll finish you. Did you hear what I said? Oh yeah, now.
But mom, what of my food money come?
Which food money? Did you go to school to go and eat food? Or to go and read book? Go to school, Jare. Food money, come. Food money. Go to school.
You were not informed. Continue.
That's me the foul.
That's you. That's you.
I want to say the foul.
But if you sell a more, you'll say bad banga.
You see?
You sell the flowers that a bad banga.
Which bangad?
Okay, not like banga. I'm mobile rocket.
Allergy.
Best slap, push up, say rocket. This foul so not to sell ambo with our badass. Badass to us.
It's good for banga.
Some say good for bangad. Who is our badass? That's
I know what I will do. I'm going to pretend as if I'm sick. Okay, that's what I will do. I know.
You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself.
Chinedu, what happened to you?
Mommy, I'm sick.
Jesus, God forbid. Sorry, why did you not tell me that you're sick? So that you will not go to school today, Chinedu, but your temperature is okay now. How did this thing happen?
Mommy, thank God for my life. Mommy, as I was going to school, my body was turning me. As I was going to school, my body was weak. It's only God that gave me the last strength to come back.
Continue.
So mommy, just give me 2 days. I'll be fine. I need to rest.
You think they're wise?
Okay, no problem, You know what will happen? I will go and see nurse now. I will tell nurse to come and treat you fast. So that at least you can go back to school tomorrow. You hear?
Mommy, wait first. Mommy, I said that just give me 2 days. I'll be fine.
I know, but nurse will make the treatment faster. So that you will be okay and go back to school. Did you hear me? You'll be weak. Don't worry, nurse will come and give you something that will make you okay. I'm coming. Just stay here and sleep, you hear?
Madam, I jet or the water this water jet. What?
Nah, open my cabinet the wall this work.
Naija.
You
notice why I don't learn this work?
You notice why I don't learn this work? 10 years like I learn this work.
10 years. Don't see me to learn this work. I don't learn.
Okay, it's okay. Please, just tell me. How can I fix this car? I have appointment.
What thing will happen? Be say, which I say all the worry this month now. na carburetor ejector.
Mama Chinedu, according to what I checked, Chinedu is okay. There's nothing wrong with me. Nurse, there's something wrong with me. It's not that I know I'm feeling.
Nurse, you see, I don't know, even if it's something that you can give him to take, so that he will be okay at all. Even if, I don't know.
I know what to give him. I'll give him Chasototus injection.
Jesus!
Yes, that will be better. Let me get it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, nurse.
You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself. And they never leave you. They have left you. This is why some of us, they call us tribalists, they call us tribal chiefs.
Wait, nurse. I'm feeling fine. Mommy, I'm feeling fine. I was just pretending to be sick so that I'll not go to school. Speaking of nowadays, and I've opened this injection. This injection is 24,000. Mama Chinedu, you will pay me my money. I don't know how you want to do it.
You were
No,
not
nurse. Chinedu, what is the meaning of this now? Well, you know the person that was not feeling fine at home just now, and you even fainted. So what are you saying?
No, Mommy, I told you I should not worry. Just give me 2 days. I'll be fine.
To be mumu.
I should just give you 2 days. I'm with you spiritually.
No problem.
Finalist.
Kiriku the doctor.
Kali. Na malaria fever na dey worry you so.
Okay.
You mean say na malaria fever dey worry me? You sure?
You just pray.
People are just it. Plenty people.
Exactly.
I'll give you the medicine.
I'm very stupid, I'm very foolish.